So folks, today we're taking a look at this bad boy by Ryobi. Inside the box should be my new combi drill as well as impact driver and a couple of batteries to boot. Doing a bit of construction work around the house at the moment, so this should be perfect. But first things first, let's open up the box. So there we go. Ooh, that is very neatly packaged in quite a bit of cardboard, but okay. So straight away down this front pocket, just here, I can see straight away that we've got some instruction manual bits. So I'm going to come back to that later on. And inside here, so covered in some plastic. So here is the first drill. Okay, so and then trying to navigate through all of the cardboard. Here we've got the second drill. At the bottom of the bag, a couple of drill bits. In here we've got, what's the best way to open that? Those are the two batteries anyway, so we've got one here and one there. I'll figure that out in a second. And finally, we've got this, the battery charger. There we go, that one is easy to get out. So let's move the bag out of the way for a second. Let's just put that just here at the back and let's sort this out. And there we go, finally all out of the packaging. So straight away, let's start with the batteries. So these are part of the 1+ 18V collection. So you can see there we've got the 1+ 18V, which basically means these are compatible with any other tool. So not just these, any other tool that are part of the same collection. So as an example, I've actually recently also bought this Jigsaw as well, and in theory I can use the same battery in here as I want to use in here. Completely compatible, completely interchangeable, which is really handy because it means now I've got two batteries, but I don't need to buy batteries with every individual tool, and obviously that just makes each of my purchases a little more affordable. So yeah, really looking forward to getting stuck into these. Okay, these are identical as far as I can tell. I've also then got the charging station right here for the batteries. So at a guess, it looks like it plugs underneath. So yeah, it's going to connect in like that. Got a couple of LEDs on the front which I guess indicates if it's charging or not charging or fully charged. As well, which is quite handy, and a fairly decent length cable as well, so that's really nice. And then this right here, so this must be the impact driver. So basically the impact driver is going to be for kind of heavy duty screws, anything that's kind of, you know, big bolts. So this has a really good torque range on it, so 220 newtons of torque, which what that basically means, or should mean, is that when this is spinning, not only does it have the power to drive longer screws into, in my case, wood, because I'm doing some kind of carpentry at the moment, but you should also get very little feedback through the handle to kind of me using it. So this dark grey here, nice and grippy, which is nice. I can see we've got kind of backwards and kind of forwards and reverse, obviously the go trigger just there, although it's, ooh, that feels quite nice actually. And then this one is the combi drill. So this one is sat at, I think from memory it was 50 newtons. Yes, yeah, there you go, 50 newtons, it says so on the box. Which I just checked, but this looks to be very similar in terms of features. So again, we've got the kind of the dark grey rubber trigger, forwards and backwards lever. Let's just see if the batteries are charged. So let's just clip that in. Yes, it is. Oh, even smells new. Perfect. Right, well, there we go. That is my first impressions of my new drill set. I'm going to pause right there, but first impressions are good and I can't wait to give it a go.